Hi, and welcome to the concert. You've journeyed through many countries and years to arrive in Italy 400 years ago. Buonasera! That means good evening in Italian. I'll take a short break from playing my instrument to chat with you a bit.
Hello there. It's still very much daytime where I am.
Do you like music?
Yeah, of course.
The Italian artist Bernardo Strozzi also enjoyed depicting music and musicians a great deal. To paint us, he needed to observe players very carefully and figure out which hands are used to hold and play what instruments. So he also practiced drawing lots and lots of hands themselves. Try to position your own hands and fingers exactly like ours in the painting. Not so easy, Back then, one of the most famous painters was named Caravaggio, and he even lent his name to an artistic technique, Caravaggesque.
What does that mean?
The masters who used the technique depicted their characters in a dark room with nothing much visible in the background, and the subjects themselves are only illuminated by a dim light. Where do you think it came from?
A light bulb?
You know, there was no electricity back in our time. In the day, light only came through the windows, and when it was dark, it came from a candle or the fireplace. You can recognize Caravaggesque art by the subjects seeming to glow in the darkness, just like us. How many people can you see in this painting?
3.
Really? Take a closer look.
Oh, there's someone else behind the woman, and another person behind the man. At the right edge of the painting, that makes 5.
Correct. They're just outside of the light. Do you know what else makes this painting interesting?
What's that?
When you look at this painting, you feel like there's a merry concert going on in a pub somewhere, even though you're in a museum right now. And the way I seem to stare into your eyes makes you feel like you're right here in the noisy room with us. That's the power of art. Cool, isn't it?
Wow, it really is.